Love this little thermometer. This is the infrared contactless thermometer. Literally the push of a button and 1 second will tell you the temperature. There is a body and a surface function. So if you want to take the temperature of the space in the room or a wall or water, something like that, you can change the surface temperature. You can change it to surface. Or if you're going to be taking it of the body, you're going to want to be 1 adult finger width from the forehead, and then you just press the button. I can tell you, having a child, this thing has been a saving grace. There's memory, so if you are tracking temperatures as well, you've got that right there. Celsius and Fahrenheit, so depending on what you prefer. And then there's also a mute button. So if you're going in the middle of the night to check your babe's temp, you can turn that little beep off. But what's really cool is that when there's a temperature, hopefully there won't be, but when there is, this will not be green. This will be bright red, and there will be a little sad face. So it's like alerting you that there's a temperature. All right. So again, love this product. So easy to use. Amazing price. You guys will be so happy to have this on hand. We use it all the time.